Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Felix Art. This is the part 2 on still life drawing using your sketchbook app on your phone. So in the last video I showed you guys how to use the smudge brush to blend all the colors. Okay, and for the past few weeks I haven't been using the Copic color, so I have to leave the Copic color for the meantime. Then I've been using the color wheel for my recent works that I did. So now I have to leave the Copic color. So guys, you can see I'm done with the orange. Then I'll move to the other fruits, this one right here. So first I'm going to use the hard eraser to erase this color. Then create a new layer. Then use something like this. Then add this color right here. You can see. So now so what to do next? Just go back to this layer right here. Then lock the layer. So once you lock the layer, you're going to be using the color picker to pick from the color foundation. Then you take the luminance down to, let's say, to 17. Then you add it. Make sure that you're using this tool. You can use any tool of your choice. You can use any pen tool of your choice, but I'm using the paint stamp pad. So once I add that color there, then I use the smudge brush. Set your smudge brush to 16. Just set the flow to 16. Then start blending. So once you're done with it, you can use another color. You can switch to any color of your choice. Then you just add it here again at the top. Then use your smudge brush to blend. Just like that. See? So now guys, once that is done, then we'll go back to this layer right here. That's jog. Now we're going to be adding some dark color. I'll just use the color picker to pick from this angle right here and take the luminance down to 20. Then use your flow airbrush to add some dark shadings here. So once you're done with that, we're going to be adding some shadows. So I'm going to use the pen tool. Okay, so once you add this color right here, what you do next is to use your smudge brush. Then you start to blend like this. You can see. I'm going to blend the angle. I'm going to blend the edges. You can see. Now I'm going to use the flower brush, then add some dark colors like this. Then take it down again, then add another color here like this, just like that. So now we'll go back to this layer right here, lock the layer, then add some colors. I'm going to add some colors. I'm going to add some colors. Then you add it here like this. Then use your smudge brush to blend. So now once you're done with that part, I'm going to go back to this layer right here. Then use the hand eraser to erase all these sides. Then I'll go back to this layer, erase this line. So what to do next? Just go back to this layer right here, then you lock the layer. Okay, so we are going to be using dark color. Just use the color picker to pick from this color, then take the luminance down to 20. Then you add this color here like this. You add another one here again. Then use your smudge brush to blend. Then add another color here again. Then use your smudge brush to blend. So once you're done with that side, we are going to create a new layer. We're going to create a new layer. Just go back here. Just click the plus button to create a new layer. So this new layer, we are going to add the color background. Okay, so we'll just use the color wheel. I'm going to be using this color, something like this. Then color it like this. And drag this reference to the top. So once we are done with that side, once you add the color background, now we're going to do some adjustments. So I'm going to close this. So I'm going to close this layer right here. That's the sketch line. Then go back to each layer, open the unlock the layers, then use the smudge brush to adjust the edges. So once you're done with that side, then I'll go back to this layer right here, unlock the layer, use the smudge brush to smudge the edges. Just like that. Then you go back to this layer here again, unlock the layer, use the smudge brush to smudge the edges like this. Then go back to this layer here again, unlock the layer, then use the smudge brush to smudge the edges. So now what to do next, we are going to open a new layer. Okay, so like we'll just go at this point here, then just create a new layer. Okay, I'm going to delete this layer right here. So this new layer that we opened, we are going to use this layer to add some details. Okay, so just use your tool, use your pen tool. Then we are going to be using color white. So just reduce the size like this. Then you add this color here. You add another white color here again. Then add another one here. So once you add those color, use your smudge brush to blend like this. Then you blend the other side. Then you're going to go back to the last side to just blend it like this. Then you can still add some color here. I use the smudge brush to blend like this. Okay, so now once we are done with that side, you can still add some color here again. Then use the smudge brush to blend just like that. So now we are going to add some effects. Okay, just go right here, then use this use the synthetic flat bristle brush, then use the color picker to pick from this side. Okay, just pick from this side, then increase the flow, then add like this, just to give it that brush effect. Then pick from this side, add here again like this. Then pick from this side, create color, just give it that brush effect. Then I'll go back to this side right here, use the color picker to pick on that side, then you just add it like this. Add some here again, then add some like this. Then I'll go back to this side, use the color picker to pick from here, then you add something like this, then add like this, add something like this, just to create that color effect. So we are going to be adding some details on the spoon. So just go back to your pen tool, then use the color white, you add it here, then you add another one here, then use your smudge brush to blend. Add another color here, then use your smudge brush to blend. Then add another color here again like this. Just add some details. Just like that. So once we are done with that part, we will go back to this color foundation. That's it right here. So once we go back to this color foundation, use the color picker to pick, then reduce the luminance to 20, then you add it like this. So once you add that side, then use your smudge brush to blend. So as you're adding, you can add some shadows. Okay, just use the pen tool, add some shadows here like this, then use your smudge brush to blend. Start smudging like this. So now we are going to shift this reference. Just click on transform, then I'm going to drag it over here, then go back to the layer, then use the smudge brush to blend the other side. So guys, you can smudge the background anyhow you like. It's not the most like you don't have to do exactly what you see on the reference. Just doing it the way I like. Just adding some white colors. So now at this point I'm going to add some colors here again. Just use the color picker to pick from this side. Then I'll add something here again like this. Then use the smudge brush to blend. So now what to do next here, I'm going to add some white color. Then you use the smudge brush to blend. Now I'm going to add some dark colors using the flower brush. Just pick from this side. Just increase the size like this. And add. Now we're going to add some shadows on the spoon. So what to do here, we'll just use you can use your pen tool to draw some shadow form like this. Then use your smudge brush to blend. Then use the color picker to pick from this side. Then use your pen tool to add something like this. Then we are almost done. So now guys, this is how it's going to look like. Okay, and there you have it. Okay guys, thanks for watching.